Hey guys! Today we're going to be cutting my 6-year-old's hair. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a professional. I'm just a mom who likes to have fun with her hair. So watch for a laugh, maybe some inspiration, and try at your own risk. What do I always say?
It's just hair, it'll grow.
It's just hair, let's have some fun. If you've been watching on YouTube and TikTok, the wolf haircut is trending. It's basically a modified mullet. I think you do like one ponytail up here and one ponytail back here and you cut it like that. And then there's the unicorn haircut where you cut it like really far forward on the forehead, but I thought that could go horribly wrong. I mean, look at how short that is in the front. I thought that was too risky in case it goes bad. You don't really have much room to fix it. So we are gonna try a very small trim with the beard haircut. We're gonna make a little beard here and then we're gonna trim it from the front. This could be an easy one to do on yourself or your child. If you've seen my own DIY ponytail haircut video that Brad Mondo roasted, one of the most common comments I get is how horrible my scissors are. So I'm very excited to try out this set that was sent to us. This is linked in video description if you want to buy it. Let's check out what's inside. We've got 2 of these clippers. We've got this cape. Woo! It has a tie. Everything's inside the case. We've got a comb, another comb, the part thingy for sectioning up here, and then these are going to be for thinning. I love the black, that's really fun. And the gold scissors, and again, this little sectioner, doodad, what do you call that? Very cool set. So let's try it out.
Da-da-da!
Hi! We're in the same height.
I'm higher.
No regrets. It's just hair. You're the bearded lady. Hi.
Na-na-na-na.
So there's not much here. We're just gonna do point cutting.
If you say no and then I would say now. It's happening.
It's happening. It's happening.
I said, what's happening?
It's happening. I like these scissors. Moment of truth. Ta-da! Ooh! Chin up, chin up! Oh, it came out nice! Oh, wait. Okay, we need to shake this off. It's beautiful! Guys, that was ridiculously easy! It came out like a little bit layered, a little bit shaggy. You saw when we just trimmed it, and that was it. Like 30 seconds! Let me see here. Oh my goodness, girl!
What?
I love it. Amazing! Look at this. Beautiful. She does not want her bangs cut. She's gonna try to grow those out, right? Thanks for watching.
Be sure to subscribe.
Mwah.